Finding a fragrance that lasts and suits your unique scent preferences can be a challenge. Today, we're diving into the best solid perfumes, perfect for on-the-go use. Solid perfumes are convenient, travel-friendly, and long-lasting, making them a great addition to your fragrance collection. In this video, we'll explore 5 top-rated solid perfumes, reviewing their key features, benefits, usability, and durability. Stay tuned to find the perfect solid perfume for your lifestyle. Kicking off our list at number 1, the Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume. The Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume is a luxurious and iconic fragrance, widely adored for its distinctive blend of sandalwood and other woody notes. Known for its unique scent profile, this perfume encapsulates the essence of smoky, leathery, and floral undertones, making it ideal for individuals who prefer deep, complex fragrances. The Labo Solid version offers a portable, eco-friendly alternative to the brand's original eau de parfum, making it a must-have for fragrance enthusiasts on the go. Key features: the Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume comes in a sleek and minimalist compact container, designed to be both portable and elegant. Its formula blends rich, natural ingredients, including sandalwood, cedarwood, cardamom, iris, and leather, creating a scent that is both woody and warm with an intriguing depth. The solid perfume is made without alcohol, providing a smooth and moisturizing application that leaves behind a subtle yet lasting fragrance. The compact size is travel-friendly and easy to apply, perfect for daily use. Benefits and usage: one of the key benefits of the Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume is its versatility. It works as a signature scent for both casual and formal settings, making it suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. The perfume's compact size ensures that you can easily carry it in your bag, providing a quick refresh whenever needed. The fragrance's longevity is impressive, lasting several hours after application. To use, simply swipe the perfume onto pulse points such as wrists, behind the ears, or on the neck, allowing the fragrance to bloom throughout the day. Usability: the usability of the Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume is exceptional. Its solid form means you can easily control the amount you apply, reducing the risk of over-applying. The smooth texture glides effortlessly on the skin, providing an even distribution of the fragrance. Since it is alcohol-free, it is gentle on sensitive skin and won't cause irritation. The solid perfume is ideal for those who prefer a less overpowering scent while still enjoying the depth and complexity of a luxury fragrance. Durability: durability is one of the standout features of the Labo Santal 33 Solid Perfume. The fragrance is rich and long-lasting, maintaining its presence for hours. Even though it is in a solid form, the perfume's concentrated formula ensures that you only need a small amount for an all-day scent experience. Unlike some traditional sprays, solid perfumes like this one tend to last longer in their container, meaning it provides great value for money in terms of both performance and longevity. In the second spot, we have Jo Malone London Solid Perfume. Jo Malone London is synonymous with high-end, sophisticated fragrances, and their solid perfume line lives up to the brand's reputation. Known for their elegant and timeless scents, Jo Malone's solid perfume options bring a new level of convenience to the perfume-wearing experience. The solid perfume offers a highly concentrated version of Jo Malone's signature fragrances, allowing you to carry your favorite scents wherever you go in a compact and easy-to-use form. Key features: Jo Malone London Solid Perfume is available in a range of the brand's most beloved scents, including English pear and freesia, with sage and sea salt, and lime basil and mandarin. The solid form ensures that the fragrance lasts longer, with a small amount going a long way. The luxurious and sleek packaging is designed to fit easily into a handbag or pocket. The formula is designed to hydrate the skin, leaving a soft and smooth texture, while the fragrance delivers an elegant yet subtle scent that is perfect for layering. Benefits and usage: the biggest benefit of Jo Malone London Solid Perfume is its portability and ease of use. Whether you're traveling or simply need a quick refresh during the day, this perfume fits seamlessly into your daily routine. The solid perfume is ideal for people with sensitive skin, as it contains no alcohol and is made with natural ingredients. To use, apply a small amount of the solid perfume to your wrists, neck, or behind the ears, allowing the fragrance to blend with your body's natural scent. Usability: Jo Malone solid perfumes are incredibly user-friendly. The compact container allows you to apply the fragrance without any mess, and the solid formula ensures that there's no overspraying. The fragrance is subtle yet noticeable, making it a great choice for those who enjoy a more understated scent. The balm-like texture absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue, and providing a smooth finish that keeps you feeling fresh. Durability: the Jo Malone London solid perfume is designed for longevity. The scent lasts for several hours, gradually fading into a soft, lingering fragrance that continues to make a statement without being overpowering. The fragrance's richness ensures that you don't need to reapply often, making this solid perfume a great investment. Its compact size means it will last for a long time, allowing you to enjoy your favorite scent day after day. Coming in at number 3 is the Pacifica solid perfume. Pacifica is a brand known for its commitment to clean beauty, and their solid perfume range is no exception. Made with natural ingredients and free from harmful chemicals, Pacifica's solid perfumes offer a delightful alternative for those seeking a more eco-conscious fragrance option. Available in a variety of unique scents, such as Tuscan blood orange and Indian coconut nectar, Pacifica's solid perfumes are perfect for those who want to smell amazing without compromising their values. Key features: Pacifica solid perfumes come in a variety of refreshing and natural fragrances, each designed to evoke a specific mood or atmosphere. The solid formula is made with natural oils and plant-based ingredients, making it gentle on the skin. The compact packaging is travel-friendly, and the solid perfume glides smoothly onto the skin, providing an even, non-greasy application. Pacifica's solid perfumes are vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and phthalates, making them an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Pacifica solid perfume offers the perfect balance of convenience and fragrance. Ideal for everyday use, the compact size makes it easy to apply wherever you are, whether at home or on the go. The natural ingredients make it an excellent choice for individuals with sensitive skin, as it doesn't contain harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. To use, simply apply the solid perfume to pulse points like your wrists, neck, or behind your ears for a fresh burst of scent throughout the day. Usability: the usability of Pacifica solid perfume is one of its key selling points. The solid format ensures you can control exactly how much product you use, and it's perfect for layering with other fragrances. The balm-like texture absorbs quickly into the skin, providing a subtle, long-lasting scent that won't irritate or overwhelm. The solid form is also ideal for travel, as it's spill-proof and won't take up much space in your bag. Durability: Pacifica solid perfume is designed for long-lasting wear. The fragrance is noticeable for several hours after application, and the scent gradually fades into a soft, pleasant aroma that lingers subtly. The compact size and rich formula ensure that the solid perfume lasts longer than spray versions, making it a great value. The fragrance also develops on your skin, creating a unique scent profile that's tailored to your body's natural chemistry. Taking our 4th spot is Glossier You Solid Perfume. Glossier You Solid Perfume is a fragrance designed to enhance your personal scent rather than overpower it. This minimalist scent has quickly become a fan favorite for its warm, soft, and intimate aroma that's perfect for everyday wear. Glossier Solid Perfume is an extension of their signature Glossier You fragrance, offering a portable, easy-to-use version that fits seamlessly into your beauty routine. Key features: Glossier You Solid Perfume features a comforting blend of ambrette, iris, and pink pepper. The fragrance is designed to be light, clean, and subtly sensual, making it suitable for any occasion. The solid formula is moisturizing and easy to apply, providing a smooth texture that blends effortlessly into the skin. The sleek, minimalist packaging is perfect for slipping into your bag for an on-the-go refresh. Benefits and usage: the main benefit of Glossier You Solid Perfume is its unique ability to adapt to your skin's chemistry, creating a personalized scent that feels uniquely yours. Its understated fragrance makes it ideal for layering with other scents or for wearing alone. To use, simply apply a small amount to pulse points for a gentle, warm fragrance that lasts throughout the day. Usability. The usability of Glossier U Solid Perfume is exceptional. The solid format allows you to control how much you apply, ensuring that the fragrance remains light and not overpowering. The texture is smooth and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's perfect for those who prefer subtle scents that can be worn daily without overwhelming the senses. Durability. Glossier U Solid Perfume is known for its longevity, with the fragrance lasting for hours after application. It gradually fades into a soft, intimate scent that's perfect for all-day wear. The solid form ensures that you only need to reapply a minimal amount, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. And finally, at number 5, we have Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume. Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume is a refreshing and elegant fragrance inspired by the salty breezes of the coast. The perfume combines aquatic and floral notes to create a clean and uplifting scent that evokes the essence of the ocean. The solid format makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking for a subtle yet captivating fragrance they can wear daily. Key features. Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume is crafted with natural ingredients, including sea salt, jasmine, and sandalwood, providing a fresh yet warm scent. The solid formula is easy to apply and glides smoothly onto the skin. The compact size is perfect for travel, and the elegant design ensures it looks as good as it smells. The formula is free from alcohol and synthetic fragrances, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume is its ability to evoke a fresh, coastal scent that is perfect for summer or any time you want a clean, airy fragrance. The solid form makes it easy to carry around, and it's ideal for quick touch-ups during the day. To use, apply to pulse points for an invigorating scent that will last for hours. Usability. Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume is incredibly easy to use. The solid formula makes application mess-free, and the small container ensures that you can carry it wherever you go. The fragrance is fresh and light, making it perfect for those who enjoy subtle scents that won't overwhelm their senses. Durability. The durability of Fleur de Sel Solid Perfume is impressive. The fragrance lasts for hours, providing a fresh, clean scent that stays with you throughout the day. The Solid Perfume's formula ensures that a little goes a long way, offering great value for its price. Finding the right solid perfume can make all the difference in your fragrance experience. Whether you prefer luxurious, woody notes or light, airy scents, there's a solid perfume for everyone. From Labo's iconic Santal 33 to the fresh, coastal vibes of Fleur de Sel, each of these 5 solid perfumes offers unique benefits and lasting fragrance. With their portability, ease of use, and eco-friendly formulas, they're perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations.